Welcome to GAK Def. My name is GAK. Def stands for Land Rover Defender. This channel is designed for making, overlanding Land Rover Defender and any other related things such as restorations, troubleshootings, tool reviews maybe? What else? I don't know, it has just begun. So today will be pre-episode or prologue in other words, because timely, I've got very special guest for kickoff. Well, they have some minor troubles on their Defender, and I'm gonna fix it. What I'm gonna show you today is very easy, simple things. I think everybody can do that at home, but I wanna show you in a proper way. Also, it should be good for you to get the idea how this channel look like. Okay, so let's get it on.
Welcome to Studio Gak. I feel very important here, sitting in Gak's workshop here in Obihiro. It's not actually Obihiro, but I can't pronounce the name where we are. And I've got some interesting pieces of equipment sitting here in front of me. And I would say even if you're a Land Rover Defender owner, you might not recognise one of these unless you're a Defender pickup owner. We've got a Defender 130 high capacity pickup. May or may not have reversed into a power pole quite heavily. And what I've managed to do is snap this cast hinge off the tailgate of my Defender 130. Poor old bear got smashed in the rear end pretty hard, and it's damaged, it's broken, and this stuff's cast, so it can't be welded, unfortunately. Luckily, we're in Hokkaido, and our good buddy Gak, he's in Hokkaido as well. He likes fixing our beloved bear, and he likes working on grizzly. In fact, he's a grizzly and bear pro maintenance man by now. So yeah, here we are in the workshop. These were very difficult to come by as well, these hinges. So I looked online, I couldn't find much. Gak instantly found one through Paddock and had it ordered and on its way before I could even think about ordering one myself. And here it is. And there's quite a story behind this beautiful new hinge for the rear tailgate on our Defender. This one, scrap, like I said, can't weld the cast, so that's no good, that's out of there. What we have here is the lovely new one. Now this one came just with base colour, it's just silver. And Mr. Gak, without access to Keswick green. If there's any English people watching, you'll like the way I said Keswick green, it's not Keswick. I keep getting in trouble on my old YouTube videos because for a long time, the colour of our Defender, Keswick, it's spelled, looks like it's spelled, but apparently pronounced Keswick. I don't know where the W disappears to, but anyway. Mr. Gak has managed to somehow, using the colour codes of various paints and doing research like only Gak can, and with the local painter here in town, has managed to produce an absolutely perfect Keswick green and had this hinge painted Keswick green. It's stunning. Absolutely beautiful. So that's the mission, and we've got touch-up paint. A little bit of touch-up just in case I'm hungover again and crash into something else. Hopefully not, no more of that. It was fatigue. I don't say hungover, it was just fatigue. I was a little bit tired, that's all. I blame my cousin actually. She may have got me a little bit tipsy the night before. So that's the plan. We're here in Obihiro. We've been doing heaps of work lately on the Defender, but I won't talk about that right now. We'll just talk about this one. And we'll be installing this along with this hardware. Gak's other speciality, among many brilliant traits that this dude's got, is these incredible corrosion-proof molds. So these are the ones that came with this hinge. Gak has had them ceramic coated, which is just incredible. If so, I wish you could feel this, what I'm feeling right here, because this is just amazing. It looks beautiful, and to touch it, if you're into your ASMR sort of stuff, ASMR is crazy, by the way, but if you're into it and you can go like that, it's amazing. The texture on this the finished coat on this ceramic coating on these fixings for the hinge means that this hinge is going to be completely corrosion proof, but our other hinge not so much. So anyway, we'll be installing this one shortly, probably tomorrow, and we'll get some more footage of that as the job goes on. I'm babbling now, so I'm going to shut up. Thank you, Gak. Arigato gozaimasu.
Well. Thank you, Lee. Thank you for sharing this episode with me. I think I successfully forced that confession out of his mouth. I'm just kidding. Here's what happened today. I wanted to film the inspiration of the hinge. I asked Reed to wait until I can hear my workshop today, but he already played. He was like, "Oh my god, I got new hinge in the proper car. Let's play." But I think you can watch the inspiration of the hinge on their YouTube channel, Grizzly Bear Overland. Just in case I put the link below here, so please enjoy it. Here's what we have learned today. Do not drive when you are hungover. It's too common though, right? Watch your back. Watch your sixth brother. You see, brown sugar, babe. No. But it's nice to know the name of the color, which is Keswick Green. It's awkward, I didn't even know that. To know correct paint code or color code, it's not difficult. You just need to do internet research. Type Keswick Green paint code or color code on Google or whatever. So you get web links like this. Paint code is combination of numbers and letters. You get 799 HFUC. If it's Ditra PPZ, you get 915055. If it's RMBASF, you get SG098.80, 689708. Here you go. Just give these numbers to your painter, then you get things done in Keswick Green. Alright, so today I want to talk about the tools that I use. These are made by PB Swiss Tools Parallel Pin Punch. I've got these punches in different sizes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12 millimeters. I'm talking about in diameter, not the length. I think I use 3 to remove the pin. Then I use 5 when I did assembly. Well, you could use this kind of bolt, but I think the longest is 50 millimeters. The length available for 3 millimeters diameter. So anyway, use proper tools for proper job done. good enough for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like the channel. And thank you, Lee and Steph. Breathing Bear Overrun motivates me to do my YouTube channel. Until next time, see you guys. またね。
On a clear day, rise and look around you, and you will see who you are. On a clear day, how it will astound you.
Come on, ASMR, do again.
Now the microphone.
Okay. Thank you.
No, we don't have microphone.
What microphone will you use eventually?